This is fucking awesome. Whoa!
This is my time to go.
This is so cool! My God! Look at that! It's like an upside down wave. Wow! No, this is too cool!
Flora, is your ride coming?
I hope so. This is so cool. I've never seen something like this. Oh my God, this is so cool. I honestly feel like it's like War of the Worlds. It was so scary on 4th of July. I was watching that movie and people were doing fireworks and I honestly thought that like they were coming down. I was so scared. Oh my God, this is so cool. Poor birdie.
Alright, I need to run to my car. Flora, where's your ride? Let's go lock up. You're sitting in my car with me.
Alright.